Hi, this is the HOTWAV Pad 8 and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first we should hold for a while home screen with our finger and then tap to the widgets icon. Tap to get it here and you'll see after that all of the available applications on your device which widgets you could add. For example, we get here the calendar application, we get here two different widgets. Just hold for one from the widgets and just drag it to your home screen by this way. If you want to move this widget on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold and drag it. To resize the widget, also hold it for a while and after that you could make it bigger or smaller. And just to remove it from the home screen, hold it and drag it to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.